Switzerland and California, November 22, 2024.
Greetings from beautiful Mount Shasta, California, where this will be my last update on the weather today. It's about 4 o'clock.
Low-pressure system Caetano was responsible for the heavy snowfall on Thursday afternoon and in the night to Friday. It passed right over Switzerland, Matteo Swiss explained. With the passage of the depression, there were also stormy winds, especially on the mountains. The maximum value was recorded on the Jungfraujoch, with a wind speed of 198 kilometers per hour. In German-speaking Switzerland in particular, the cantonal police reported a large number of chaos due to the difficult road conditions.
Well, it's 7 in the morning here in Mount Shasta, California, and give you an idea how much snow we got.
In Canton Bern, for example, around 130 traffic chaos had occurred by early Friday morning. Some 150 chaos also were reported in Canton Zurich, 120 in St. Gallen, 60 in Aargau and 40 each in cantons Thurgau and Solothurn. There were also chaos in Zug, Lucerne and Graubünden. The winter services worked a night shift in many places in the lowlands. The transport companies in Basel, Zurich and Bern partially resumed operations. Swiss Federal Railways expected delays and train cancellations to continue on Friday morning. Several hundred staff were doing their utmost to prevent the effects of the cold, the Federal Railways tweeted early on Friday morning. Reasons for the restrictions included disruptions to overhead lines and vehicles, as well as icy points. The railroad company is working at full speed to rectify the disruptions as quickly as possible, said a Federal Railways spokesperson. Meanwhile in California, in Siskiyou County, snow-delayed travelers took refuge in a comfort in lobby off I-5, where the power was out and blowing snow pushed through the main entry doorway. The interstate was closed from 10 miles north of Redding to 21 miles south of Wairika. Several jackknifed trucks blocked the interstate near Weed. By 5 a.m., the interstate had closed in both directions.
Really windy. I've got trees down